I've redone this part so many times because I keep dropping things. So lashes are on. Now I'm gonna drop my highlighter. Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look right here using this palette. I got this in my latest BoxyCharm box. So I wanted, well actually no, it was last month's BoxyCharm box and I just never got around to filming it because my box showed up pretty late, but I wanted to test this palette out. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about it, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is prime our eyes. And actually, you know what? I've been using that concealer for a while. I wanna reach for my Louise Base. I haven't used this in a really long time. I have it, might as well use it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit right here and here. Okay, we are good. So we are using this palette today. This is the Pur Festival 2.0 palette. Got this in my BoxyCharm and I didn't get around to using it. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is grab a blending brush, and I actually have no idea what I'm going to do. Let's go with this color right here. This color right here, and we're just gonna pop that into the crease. And I'm just going to start right in the middle. I don't know why I'm starting in the middle. Oh, but she's a little pigmented. Color's really nice. It's like a really pretty mauve color. Okay, I'm just going to pull this out. I really like pulling out my shadows. I just prefer it on my eye shape. And I also like really working my eyeshadow into my brows, especially in the inner portion. Okay, I'm really gonna pull this out. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this color, which is called Pure Bliss, and I'm going to add this right into, well, onto the lid. So I'm only gonna keep this color right on a half of the lid. I'm going to add another color next to it, but I'm just going to lightly just fill in over here, just so it'll blend in with the next color. So I think I want to add this color next to it. And I'm not adding too much of this color. This is just a really pretty green with gold. I'm trying to think of exactly what color I'm thinking about. Kind of like a sea foam. It's not too intense, so I think it's going to really complement the purple and this gold. Just a little bit of color. So I'm depositing most of the color on the outer portion. I'm not bringing it completely out, just because it is a shimmer and I want to add more of that purple on there. And now I'm just going to run it back and forth between that other gold, just so it blends really nice. Going back in with that shade that I used in my crease, I'm just going to drag and connect this. And I'm just gently buffing that into that green. Okay, we're gonna take that same color and just run this on the lower lash line. And then also connecting it up. I'm really liking the way this is looking. So, okay, so there's this really pretty color right here. I think I'm gonna add that in my inner tear duct. Oh yeah, that's really nice. I wanna go in with that more goldish shade, the first color that I put on the lid. I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm just going to add it right here. Going back in with my blending brush, I'm just going to blend in between, just so there are no gaps. Maybe I'll just do some brown eyeshadow as a liner. I really haven't been into liner much, so I'm just going to take an angled brush and I'm going to start just by adding a little wing in there, and here. I love doing eyeshadow as eyeliner. I'm also going to take a little bit of that brown and just add it right here. But just right there on the edge or the outer portion. Okay, so I just popped on some Salon Perfects and 614s. Now we're gonna work on the rest of the face. And what do I wanna do? Okay, so I applied my lashes on and now we're gonna do a little bit of highlighter. This is Hustla Baby from Fenty. We're gonna highlight the nose first because, yeah, we're just gonna highlight the nose first. I'm gonna add a little bit here and here. Yeah, we're good there. Now for the rest of the face. This is still one of my favorite highlighters. It's so pretty. You don't need a lot. Going in with blush, this is the Milani's Romantic Rose Blush. This blush is so old, but it's so pretty. And you know, we're just gonna add this up here. Take my powder brush and I'm just going to buff things together. Okay, so this is the completed look for my lips. I went in with this KKW Nude to lip liner, then added a little bit of this Huda Beauty Honeymoon lipstick, and in the center I added some Honeylove from MAC. Overall, I really liked the way this makeup turned out. I've just really been into more natural, lighter eyes and just leaving underneath my eyes pretty bare, just kind of keeping it really simple. So that's why you didn't see me add any eyeliner or mascara on the lower lash line. I just wanted to keep it kind of just like fresh and just a little more on the natural side. But I absolutely love this palette. I love the shadows. I love the way everything blended out. It just, I don't know, I just really like this. I have other Pure palettes that I've gotten in the past and I just have no complaints. Their formula, their pigments, the shadows, everything, there's just no complaints. It's just such good stuff. All right guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this, whatever you wanna call this video. I don't know if it's a review, it's just, you know, testing things out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.